Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Salesforce lead escalation rules using Flow. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To update Salesforce lead escalation rules using Flow, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Flow Builder by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner and selecting Setup. In the Quick Find box, type Flow, click on the New Flow button to create a new flow. Choose the Record Triggered Flow option and then click Next. Select the object as lead since you are updating lead escalation rules. Set the flow to trigger when a record is created or updated. In the Configure Triggers section, set the criteria to define when the escalation should occur. Next, you will add conditions to filter the leads you want to escalate. Drag the decision element from the left panel into the flow canvas. Configure the decision element to evaluate the leads fields based on your defined criteria. For each outcome of the decision, specify what actions should occur next. Now, add the Update Records element to define how you want to modify the lead records. In the Update Records configuration, select Specify Conditions to identify records. Set the criteria to match the leads identified in the decision element. Define how you want to update the fields for the escalation, such as assigning a new owner or changing the lead status. Once the updates are configured, connect the decision outcomes to the appropriate Update Records action. After mapping all elements, click on the Save button to save your flow. Next, click on the Activate button in the upper right corner to make your flow active. You can now test the flow to ensure that it works as intended. Create or update a lead that meets your escalation criteria to confirm that the flow triggers appropriately. After testing, check the lead records to verify that they have been updated according to the escalation rules. If everything works as expected, your lead escalation rules using Flow are successfully updated in Salesforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.